Hello friends, today I will show you this power supply. If you follow my channel, you know that I like to recycle a lot of things. So, I received this bad UPS from a friend of mine. Here is the PCB, and you can see here the PCB is broken, and this not worth repairing, but we can take a lot of good parts. It's a good quality relay, we have MOSFETs, we have this LCD that we will use in other projects. So I took everything apart from this UPS, and I kept only the case and this transformer. As you can see, it's a very good quality transformer. Here is the power input, goes to the power switch, then to the primary winding of this transformer. Then we have a three wire switch here. I put this wire here on the primary winding because this transformer has two primary windings. Usually it's used in automatic voltage regulation. If the input voltage is too low, second winding will make it high, and if the input voltage is too high, other winding will make it low. It's some kind of auto transformer switching from one position to another position. On output, secondary output of this transformer initially was two windings put in parallel that give us a big current but low voltage, and I decided to put these windings in series to double the output voltage of this transformer. After this transformer, I put here bridge rectifier. I forgot to tell you that this transformer can give us 20 volts at 15 amps. So this is a bridge rectifier, 50 amps and 1000 volts put on the heatsink, on a little heatsink. After this bridge, I put this classical step down module. It's 300 watts, 30 volts and 20 amps. I also add this capacitor here because this was too little for this power. I took out the potentiometer from the PCB and I move it in the front of the case. Here we have a ammeter, voltmeter, power switch, current regulation, voltage regulation, and two banana plugs. I must tell you that all of these parts was under $10, bought from China or bought with a good price. So if you have a bad UPS like this with less than $10, you can make a very strong power supply. Now let's put it to the test. As a load, we have here two lamps, two auto lamps put in parallel. So now we'll put the voltage and now increase the current. Now you can see we have 12 volts and 10 amps. I cannot give it more because I will burn these lamps if I put more than 10 volts. I checked, this is not very hot. Now I want to see if you need, you can put a module like this. Will give you two USB outputs, 5 volts and 3 amps. Here is the step down module. I hope that you like this video. My goal is to recycle everything I can. So, if you find this helpful, please share, like and subscribe. And until next time, recycle and be creative.